Okay. Mistake number one I always see is you say you're in business, right? Mm-hmm. First question I ask you, what's your domain name? You don't have one. What's your email address? My email address is build@gmail.com. But Gmail's the business. Why ain't your email address GeneJohnson@constructionkeys.com? What's your website look like? You know, is your website optimized for SEO? Does it look like you just threw it together? What's your presence in the media space look like? How do you really look in the media space? How do you really look business-wise? And that's a big mistake people make, like even the phone numbers. Like, for instance, you got a phone number that's in your mom's name, because people don't notice it now, but cell phones really, you can say who owns the phone, and this would say it. So your mama's name is on the cell phone, but it's your business. No, the banks look at that, no, Slim, you ain't in business. Yeah. You're playing.